123 years of experience in the categories of locking solutions and system, Godrej just steps up their game plan in the advancing generation of technology. With that being said, Godrej just brings in Advantis Revolution, one of the most premium and finest looking lock in the market right now. Not only that, it is one of the most technologically advanced lock right now. It has a MRP of 43,000. The lock sports in a touch panel and also a fingerprint sensor. It also comes with a fire sensor inbuilt and a RFID smart card panel. For the passcode, you can put in 4 to 12 digit of passcode, and also you can have 4 unique password. For the fingerprint sensor, you have to just swipe in there and the fingerprint sensor actually pops out and you can just put in your finger over there. It also comes with a mechanical key in case of crisis or emergency, just like any other locks, and you can just put in the key in the keyhole and you can just unlock your door. It also comes with an adjustable spy code, a code, 4-digit code basically, which you can put in or after the password. Also comes with a RFID smart card panel. So this is one of the highlights of the lock, and you can just hover over the card panel and the door unlocks. The card is pretty small, it's not quite a big one, it's pretty small and quite portable. The handle is pretty sturdy and very smooth. You don't have any issues with the handle. It feels great and snappy. The lock body is actually a 3-bolt lock body, so that you get the most and bestest amount of security. It also has a adjustable volume, so actually the volume is pretty loud and the screen is also pretty bright. But when it comes to the volume, if you feel like the volume is actually a bit loud, then you can definitely reduce the volume, or if you feel the volume is a bit low, you can definitely make it a bit high. So it runs on 8 AA battery, and you can just change the battery whenever it runs out of charge. It is also compatible with remote, that gives you some kind of wireless access to the lock itself. It also has auto locking. This is also one of the highlights of the lock. The auto locking actually ensures the lock actually auto locks itself. It also has a break-in alarm, so actually if anyone tries to break in, the lock itself gets an alarm. It also comes with a manual mode, so that you can actually manually lock or unlock the lock. For the fire sensor, it actually unlocks the door when it actually can sense the temperature going a bit high. Not a bit high, but a lot high. It also has a safety button, which will mean that you can only use keys and nothing else. And there you go with the emergency battery. So in case you run out of charges, the emergency battery makes sure you connect the power supply and get the full usage even when you run out of battery. Overall, it's a brilliant lock, and when you expect something from a company like Godrej, they brings in the best locks in the market. A company like Godrej, who actually experiments with the locking solutions and brings in the best out of their lock, you can definitely expect a great lock such as Godrej Advantis Revolution. With the technology actually getting advanced in the generation, Godrej actually makes or ensures that the biometric or the passcode system within a touch panel could be a very decisive feature in this era.